Hi everybody, welcome to ePrime for this evening. I'm Daedran. Protoje taps the Marleys for his 7th studio album. Just a day after announcing the release date of his highly anticipated project, The Art of Acceptance, Protoje has revealed that the 13-track album will see collaborations with Damon and Stephen Marley, Massacre and Shinsia. In a post on Instagram, the Grammy-nominated singer stated that the album isn't just about peace. It's about the raw, sometimes painful work of facing yourself fully, embracing the parts you may want to hide, and then radiating from that wholeness. He went on to say that the album is a homage to reggae roots. He also dropped a trailer for the project.
You see, like loving someone else can feel sweet because it's like you get for project the best parts, the good parts of yourself onto them, you know what I mean? That make you escape, deal with your own flaw, your own doubt, and even your own pain. But loving yourself, why? Well, that means you know you have to face the fire. Every scar, every insecurity, every shortcoming. It uncomfortable. It hurt, it burn. But, I mean, that's where the real growth and acceptance happen.
Now, on the international scene, Britney Spears reportedly sold her music catalog for an undisclosed sum. The Baby One More Time singer has reportedly sold ownership of her music catalog to Primary Wave. The entity is a music and marketing company based in New York, which specializes in catalog deals. It is not clear how much the company paid. Spears released 9 studio albums between 1999 and 2016. Now, according to Sony Music, she has sold nearly 150 million albums worldwide. Benito Bowl may be behind us, but Bad Bunny's name is still on the lips of many. Now, according to a report, House GOP launches Bad Bunny halftime show investigation over indecent performance. Republican lawmakers are calling for a federal review of Bad Bunny's halftime show, claiming parts of the broadcast crossed the line for primetime television. Representative Andy Ogles of Tennessee sent a letter to the House Committee on Energy and Commerce, urging an investigation into whether the NFL and NBC Universal violated broadcast standards. Now, Representative Andy Fine of Florida have also called for a Federal Communications Commission to examine the show and consider possible penalties. They argue the choreography and lyrical themes are inappropriate for a family audience. The set featured a high-energy Spanish language performance that celebrated Puerto Rican culture and global Latin music. While many viewers have praised the performance, others expressed concern about its suitability for primetime television. That's it for ePrime this evening. I'm Daedran. Thank you for watching.